Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you. He must have been on the phone. I heard him talking. He was like talking on the phone when he drove up. So what's that?
This is the decal for the hood.
Oh.
You want to see the decal?
Well, let's see it.
My mirrors are supposed to be here today too. So that'd probably be by FedEx. The liberal FedEx man.
Oh.
This is for the hood.
So FedEx was here yesterday. UPS is here today. It's like Christmas for our truck, Stephen, with FedEx.
I'm kind of afraid to put this one on by myself.
Oh, wow. That's big.
I have Todd come out and put it on.
Oh, wow. Yeah. You don't want to put that on by yourself. Oh, wow.
See, I want that for the center of the hood. So it takes all the white paint hurts my eyes when the sun gets on it.
Yeah, we want Todd Moores of Sign Pro to put that on for us.
Take a picture of it and ask him if he can put it on.
Okay, I'm taking a picture now. So that's going to be for the hood, okay.
Yeah. Ask him if he can put that on. If he can drive out here to put it on, and how much will he charge me to put it on?
Okay. Alrighty. Wow. That's really something. That will definitely take the white out of the hood. That looks bigger than the hood.
Well, it's got to be cut out, dummy.
Are you calling me a dummy? So, all right. Well, I'll send this picture to Todd, and see if he might come out today, or tomorrow, or something. Anyhow, that's nice.
Ask him.
All right, I will. All right. So yesterday FedEx was here. Today UPS was here. What else are you expecting?
I told you, my mirrors.
Okay.
My hood mirrors.
All right. Nice. All right, you all. That's a sneak peek to what's going on the hood.
It goes in the center of the hood.
The center of the hood.
Yeah.
And then you can do something with some of that black. I mean, after it gets cut out, you can do something with some of that black, can't you?
I doubt it.
Well, don't want to waste it. Huh. That was pretty costly. We don't want to waste it.
It was way cheaper than them other ones.
Oh, was it?
$69.
This was $69?
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to send the pictures to Todd, and maybe he might come out this weekend. So that's a sneak peek to what's going on in the hood.